Hi guys, welcome back to my video. This is the first vlog that I've made. I don't know guys, I hope you guys will like it. I've been wanting to do vlogs like this, looking at other people's videos, and I'm like, I would really love to do this, but then I think when sometimes you are watching Facebook videos and even TikTok or maybe what YouTube videos, you see that man, people are living their life. People are living in nice houses, and then you think, really, but I'm just gonna get roasted about where I live. I'm gonna get roasted about not having a ceiling, simple things like that. But I really love creating content. I love it so much, but then